James, it's Fritzi at Delray Buick GMC. Look at this beautiful Yukon Denali and this key which will open the back glass, the back tailgate, and start the vehicle. It's a wonderful vehicle. It's very, very nice. It's a dark gray called Iridium. It has the 22-inch chrome optional wheels. We've got these folding side steps, the smart key. You've got the black leather with the wood grain accents. You've got heads-up display. You've got navigation. And I also did this so you can see that you do have an extra spare storage area, which does have a USB outlet. It's got everything under the sun, air conditioning and heated seats, heated steering wheel, lane departure warning. It's also got collision avoidance if you get too close up front. You've got dual power seats. You've got plenty of storage area. AC vents in back. You got a sunroof and DVD player. It basically is the best Denali that we have. And you do have a little button that you can pop up also, or from back here if you happen to be at the back of the vehicle. And you do have the power folding seats, which I already folded down. You can see the power panel here to fold the seats, and you can either fold them flat or up like that for easy access. Vehicle's in very nice shape. We are a Buick GMC store. It's a one owner, 35,000 miles approximately. It's a local vehicle from another dealer not too far away. You can see the power folding mirrors. You can see how the sunroof and just the very, very nice details. It's here, it's available, it's waiting for you. Very easy to ship it. I just wanted to do this quick video to show you that yes, we have the vehicle, it's here, it's available. This is Fritzi at Delray Buick GMC, 954-406-1433. Thank you for calling, James. Look forward to talking to you again.